Hello friends, I have come with five naughty kids. These are actually five forms of the planes. Normal form, 1 point form, 3 point form, intercept form and intersection of planes. So I'll be taking up this lecture today. With this the planes will be over. We have already covered up straight line and these DC and directional cosine and directional ratios. So it is the last topic of the 3D, which is of planes. So today we will be covering up planes. These are five planes, that is normal form, 1 point form, 3 point form, intercept form and intersection of planes. Thank you very much. I am coming up with the video on the. Hello dear friends, I am Rajendra Jatana. I have come with my notes on the plane. What is a plane? A plane is a surface such that if any 2 points A and B are taken. Now look here, there are 2 points here. This is A and this is B. Are taken on it, then the line segment AB lies on the surface. Look here, this is lying on the surface. So in an analytical geometry or coordinate geometry, equation of a point, line and plane are written as under. Point is ax plus b equal to 0. Straight line ax plus by plus c equal to 0. And the plane is written like this: ax plus by plus cz plus d equal to 0. So there are 5 letters in the word plane, P, L, A, N, E. And there are 5 equations of plane. Naughty. So normal form, 1 point form, 3 point form, intercept form, and plane passing through intersection. Now, whenever the question on plane is there, you must have a picture of this in your mind. Before we proceed further, I'll advise you to have following picture of plane in your mind. लकड़ी का फट्टा है, wooden plank, surface is there, and there is a nail here. N stands for nail, N stands for normal vector. In the case of lines, there was a parallel vector, and in this plane, there is a perpendicular vector or normal vector. So, every first degree equation in 3 variables x, y, z represent a plane. Ax plus by plus cz plus d equal to 0. Look here. This is same thing. Ax plus by plus cz plus d equal to 0. So, equation of plane in general is written in this shape. That is ax plus by plus cz plus d equal to 0. To determine equation of plane, we must have the values of a, b, c and d. This equation of number 1 can be rewritten like this: divide by d on both sides. You will get a over d, x plus b over d, y plus c over d, z plus d over d, that is 1 equal to 0. So replace a by d as capital A, b by d with capital B and c by d with capital C. So the equation becomes like this: ax plus by plus cz plus 1 equal to 0. So hence plane must satisfy 3 conditions. So whenever we will be dealing with a question on plane, we should ensure that there are 3 conditions available. Now let us go further. Next is your notes on the equations. So first of all, normal form, नॉटी का n स्टार्ट हो गया है. Normal form, the form of equation of plane is, so there is a plane and there is a perpendicular length having d, distance is d, and this vector is perpendicular, normal vector is there, so n cap is there. So this is d units normal vector. This is a general point. P is a general point, x, y, z. So this is general vector. So these two vectors are perpendicular. On and np, they are perpendicular. Their dot product will be 0. Their dot product is 0. So np can be written as op minus on dot on. And op is your r. Look here, op is r. And on is d dot n. On is d dot n. On is d dot n. So on simplifying, this d will go here on the right side, it will become 0. So r minus d n cap into n cap. When n cap will go inside, it will become r n cap minus d n cap square is equal to 0. N cap square is 1. So equation becomes r dot n cap equal to d. Research and development. You can remember it with this mnemonic. R&D, research and development. So this is the normal form. 1 point form. The plane is passing through 1 point. So let us say A is the given point on this, that is x1, y1, z1 on this plane. This is the nail. I told you it is always there. Its components are A, B, C. Now, this is the general vector. OP is always the general vector. Again, you see AP is perpendicular on N. This is AP. This is the perpendicular. So this and this, they are perpendicular, dot product will be 0. AP can be written as OP minus OA dot n cap, and dot n vector is equal to 0. So this is OP is R, OA is A, and n vector is there. It becomes is equal to 0. So the equation becomes R minus A dot n equal to 0. So that is R, A, and RAN. देखिए ये इक्वेशन बनी थी रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट. This equation was research and development, and this is RAN. 1 point form is RAN. So if you put it into Cartesian form, R is XYZ and A is X1, Y1, Z1 is equal to dot ABC. So equation becomes A into X minus X1 plus B into Y minus Y1 plus C into Z minus Z1 is equal to 0. This is 1 point form. It is passing through the point X1, Y1, Z1, and A, B, C are the, look here, they are the coordinates of the perpendicular vector. So जो ये coefficients होते हैं, ये normal होता है. A, B, C is normal. That is n. That is n. So normal vector होता है. जो coefficients are, they are normal vector in the 1 point form. So it is A into X minus X1 plus B into Y minus Y1 plus C into Z minus Z1. Let us go further. Next is 3 point form. R vector is this, A vector is this, X1, Y1, Z1. R vector is always general vector X, Y, Z. B vector is X2, Y2, Z2. C vector is this. And equation is Rabbasa RABACA रब्बासा। देखिए हमने स्ट्रेट लाइन में रब और रब्बा बनाया था। 1 point form was rub and 2 point form was rabba and this is 3 point form रब्बासा। सीधे लोग परमात्मा का नाम लेते रहते हैं, रब रब्बा, एंड नाउ इट इज रब्बासा। रिस्पेक्ट में राजस्थान में रब्बासा बोलते हैं। नाउ दिस इज इक्वेशन ऑफ a plane passing through 3 points. So these are the 3 points here. So I have derived the equation and the equation works out r minus a within the bracket b minus a cross c minus a equal to 0. r a b a c a Rabbasa. Since it is involves cross product means determinant. So we will be using this. It becomes Rabbasa. This is the equation. This equal to 0 is the equation. Now let us go to the last one. Intercept form. This is the plane. It is touching all the three axes. X axis, look here, A 0 0. Y axis पे कहाँ पे टच करी है? 0 B 0. And Z axis पे 0 0 C 0 0 C. So it is simply equal, same as it was in 11th class. The equation is x over a plus y over b plus z over c is equal to 1. When you know it is passing through 3 points. First point is a 0 0, other point is 0 b 0, third point is 0 0 c. If we find the equation in the same way as we found Rabbasa, this is 3 points. So same type of treatment will be given to it and the equation becomes x over a plus y over b plus z over c is equal to 1. A, B, C are intercepts. Now last one is equation of a plane passing through intersection of two planes. These two planes are there. They are denoted with pi 1, this is one, bold one, and this is pi 2. Call it a papa plane. This is a mummy plane. And the plane passing through these two planes is the baby plane. So we are interested to find the equation of a baby plane. So same, you look here. In this case, first equation of first plane is Rn1d, research and development. Second equation is Rn2 cap d, second equation. That is papa's plane, that is mummy's plane. Equation of plane, baby plane is pi 1 plus lambda pi 2 equal to 0. And in the Cartesian form, it is a1x plus b1y plus c1z plus d1 plus lambda a2x plus b2y plus c2z plus d2 is equal to 0. So this is the equation of plane passing through the intersection of two planes. So this was all as far as the planes are concerned. We have got 5 planes, naughty. So normal form, 1 point form, 3 point form, intercept form, and intersection of two plane passing through the intersection of two planes, that is baby plane. So this is how we can remember all the names, and these mnemonics will help you a lot in remembering the formulas, and I hope you have understood how easy it is to deal with the equations of the plane. Thank you very much. Go on viewing my videos until the end, and you will feel that this chapter has become very, very easy. And I am very sure that after having understood these equations properly, you are bound to come out with flying colors in your exam. Again, I wish you all the best. Thank you very much for viewing my videos. I will request you to kindly share this among your friends so that they are also benefited. And I will also request you to subscribe if you feel that it is my videos are helping you to some extent or quite a lot. Thank you very much.